Welcome to the MERTS instructional video on entering expected refunds or rebates. Expected refunds or rebates are expenses that have already been paid by the committee, where the committee expects a refund or rebate, such as a deposit on a rental hall. To begin entering a refund or rebate, first select the appropriate report from the Reports tab. Select the Transaction Guide icon from the toolbar. Select Expected Refunds and Rebates from the Expenditures Debts menu. Select the expenditure type or select the back button to return to the Transaction Guide screen. This will prompt a Direct Expenditure, Debts Owed To information window. Select the name of the person or company that the expenditure was made to. If the name has not yet been entered, select Add Name and enter the name information. Enter the date the expenditure was made by selecting the date from the calendar provided or by manually keying the date. Please note that you cannot select or key in a date that is outside of the coverage period for the selected report. Enter the amount of the expenditure. Description is a required field. If the expenditure was made for a fundraising event held by your committee, select the fundraiser from the drop-down list, or select Add Fundraiser to create a new event. Once all required information has been entered, the following options will become available. Next will allow you to continue to add the same transaction type. Clone will allow you to add transactions of the same amount, description, and fundraising event. Cancel will exit the guide without saving the record. OK will save the record and return to the Reports tab. Incoming committee receipts will allow you to switch to a different type of receipt. Outgoing committee expenses will allow you to switch to expenditures. For quick access to the MERTS User Guide, Candidate Manual, or the MERTS Video Library, refer to the Manual User Guide tab or select the Video tab. Select OK to continue. To modify an existing transaction, open the All Transactions tab. Locate the record you wish to modify and click once to highlight the transaction. Select the Modify Item icon on the toolbar, or right-click and choose Modify from the submenu. Make the changes, and select OK to save and exit. A verification window will appear asking if you are sure you would like to modify or amend the selected object. Select Yes to continue or No to cancel. Please note, transactions within a closed report cannot be modified. You must right-click on the transaction you wish to modify and select Amend to make the change to the transaction. To delete transactions, select the Delete Item icon on the toolbar, or right-click on the transaction and choose Delete from the submenu. Please note that transactions within a closed report cannot be deleted. To remove a transaction from a previously filed report, right-click on the transaction and select D-Report to remove. The original transaction will be removed from the report, but will continue to show in the All Transactions tab and will be grayed out. Be sure to save and back up the committee MERTS file each day. For additional assistance, visit the MERTS website at www.mertsplus.com. Thank you.